Hello, this is Noah from After Six Cocktails, and today we're going to make an aviation. The aviation is shown here has a bluish tint to it. That is accomplished by one of its core ingredients, the creme de violette. The creme de violette was considered a rare cocktail ingredient, and just now it's becoming more available and more popular. Its base is gin. I'm using Beefeater here. I'm using Beefeater London Dry here. It also calls for a maraschino liqueur, so I'm using the Luxardo maraschino liqueur here. It is shaped and also involves lime juice. As such, it's shaken instead of stirred. To make an aviation, we're going to start out with 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. No, 3/4 of an to make an aviation, we're going to start out with 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. No liqueur. A 1/2 ounce of creme de violette. No, 1/4 ounce of creme de violette. And 2 ounces of gin. Strain it into a cocktail glass. And here's your aviation. It's actually kind of sweet. The creme de violette makes it really sweet. It's like a sweetened margarita. There we have it. We made the aviation. Cheers to a good night.